What's going on, y'all? Welcome back to Next Life Garage. As you can see, I'm standing in front of the Nissan again. We had a little issue after putting the timing covers back on. Gearhead didn't put a new front main seal in it. Figured it was new after the rebuild. It'd be okay to reuse that one, but apparently not. So I'm going to be attacking that today, putting a new front main seal in. Going to try to do it without removing too much stuff underneath the hood there. I think I can get to all the tensioner bolts without removing anything, but we'll just have to see how it goes. So I'm going to get to that. May let y'all watch me in high speed today. Shouldn't take too long, at least not to get to the pulley to get to the seal, but I'm going to get at it. Well, that's that. Told you it wouldn't take too long. I've got the front main seal in. Had a little issue with the keyway on the crank, but managed to get it worked out. Just kept trying to come out on me when I was trying to put the pulley back in. Things like that happen when you're doing these things. All the belts are back on, tightened up. About to put the front end back down on the ground and ride her around a little bit. See if we got that leak fixed. Hopefully we did. Won't know until we get some miles on it though. If you like what we're doing here at Next Life Garage, give us a like, hit that subscribe bell so you don't miss anything that we post. And until next time, don't take no wooden nickels, and be good. Somebody's got to.